Hi, I'm Neely Nathan. I have a website and a TV show, Great Healing Getaways, where I host a show on holistic health from around the world. I research and I write on holistic health. It's been a lifelong passion of mine. Today I'm talking to you about homemade masks, how you can make facials right in your own kitchen. It's very easy, it's fun, it's healthy, and it's inexpensive. This next one is an energizing mask. We're going to need 2 drops of our essential oils. I'm using Lang Lang, 2 drops of Lang Lang. You can find essential oils in a health food store or online. Just make sure they're 100% pure essential oil, no synthetics. And this is petite grain. Now this water has been iced. I should take this ice cube out. Yep, there we go. And 2 drops of lemon oil in the iced water. You want it to be really cold. And I don't use water from the sink. This is pure bottled water. Okay, then I'm going to add enough ground almond to make a paste. This is fun. There we go. I'll move that so you can see it. Okay, now it's starting to thicken up. Wow. It almost smells good enough to eat. I'm going to add more. Okay. That'll probably do it. There. Okay, now this is forming into a really nice smooth paste. Mix it in with all the oils, and then you're going to put it on your face, nice and cold, very energizing. This will be good to do an hour before you're going to go out on the town. So you want to look like all nice and refreshed. Just put that on and lay down for about 20 minutes and then wash it off with warm water.